Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gel nail colors is probably one of the most exciting beauty trends right now, offering a long-lasting, chip-resistant manicure that's perfect for any occasion. But with so many options available, choosing the right gel nail colors can be a bit overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of gel nail colors, exploring the top picks and what makes them stand out. Number 5. Modelones Gel Top Coat Set. Introducing the Modelones Gel Top Coat Set, the must-have for your nail art. This set includes a base and top coat. It's designed to give you a long-lasting, super shiny finish. This manicure kit includes both a base and top coat. The base coat's slight stickiness after curing is normal, enhancing adhesion. The top coat then seals it all in, providing a flawless finish. The Modelones Gel Base Coat provides professional-level adhesion for long-lasting color. It applies smoothly and protects your nails. It also removes easily, making your nail care routine simpler. The clear gel top coat can make your gel last for over 30 days with proper application. Its wear-resistant feature ensures a gorgeous, glossy finish that resists chipping and scratching, keeping your nails looking perfect. This set is made from natural ingredients and is acid-free, so it won't burn or irritate your nails. The healthy, environmentally friendly formula is non-toxic. It's perfect for beginners to DIY gel nails at home. Remember to do a skin test before using. If you have any problems, please contact us directly. We are always ready to help you solve any issues and ensure you have a great experience. What we like. This top coat offers a super shiny finish that lasts for weeks. It protects your manicure from chipping and scratching, ensuring your nails always look their best. If you're looking for a long-lasting, glossy finish that's also gentle on your nails, you should consider this. What people say. The dehydrator works instantly. It leaves the nails super dry within seconds, which helps the gel stick way better. The primer applies smoothly and creates a strong bond that helps the gel-X tips adhere securely and last much longer without lifting. The base coat applies smoothly and helps the polish last longer, while the top coat gives a beautiful, glossy finish that resists chipping. The dehydrator dries instantly and removes all the oils without leaving any residue. The primer goes on smoothly and really helps the gel polish adhere better. Number 4. Beetles 6 Colors Nude Gel Nail Polish Set. Introducing the Beetles Nude Gel Polish Set, featuring 6 beautiful shades perfect for any occasion. This set includes popular and trendy colors suitable for all seasons. It's an essential for everyone. Beetles is a cruelty-free brand, certified by Leaping Bunny and Cruelty Free International. They do not test any products on animals. You can feel good about using it. This gel nail polish set is easy to apply and offers long-lasting wear, up to 28 days with proper application. Remember to use a base gel and top coat for the best results. The process is simple. This gel polish requires curing under an LED or UV light. The average curing time is 60 to 120 seconds. Make sure you have a lamp ready before use. This product is for nail use only and should not come into direct contact with skin. If contact occurs, wash immediately. If you feel unwell, stop using it and seek medical attention. Please note that colors may vary slightly due to different monitor settings. What we like. This set features a beautiful collection of nude and brown shades, perfect for any season. The application is easy, and the colors are trendy. If you like a variety of natural colors and want a cruelty-free option, you should consider this. What people say. These polishes glide on smoother than a man trying to get back into your life after messing up. Pigmented. Creamy. Zero patchiness. Zero streaks. I layered them, swirled them, dabbed them, blended them, and the way they mixed. Baby. They behaved like actual paint. Number 3. Modelones 6 Colors Gel Polish Kit. Introducing the Modelones 6 Colors Gel Polish Kit. This set is perfect for any occasion, offering flawless coverage and a glossy finish. You can achieve salon-quality nails right at home. Thanks to inspired gel technology, this polish resists peeling and bubbling. The Easy Glide brush ensures a quick and even application. It stays shiny and intact for over 28 days. Made with 11 toxin-free ingredients, this gel nail polish is paraben-free and skin-friendly. The low-odor formula provides a professional quality finish. It is gentle on your nails and safe for at-home use. The innovative color window design lets you easily select the perfect shade. These fashionable, natural-looking tones make it ideal for weddings, photo shoots, or daily wear. Different light sources and coatings can affect the color shades. The picture shows 2 coats. Please read the directions carefully before use. It is only for nails, and avoid contact with eyes and mouth. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of skin tone colors that are perfect for any occasion. The formula is designed to be healthy for your nails, and the colors last for weeks. If you are looking for a long-lasting, salon-quality manicure at home, you should consider this. What people say. The application results are very nice. The gel is not thick and takes 2 coats, which is just fine. When applied correctly, these polishes do not peel, do not discolor, and will stay on until you acetone wash them off. Number 2. Saviland Jelly Nail Art Stamper Kit. This is the Saviland Nail Stamper Kit. It includes 2 long and short jelly nail stampers and 2 scrapers. The stamper is easy to use and picks up patterns quickly. The silicone nail stamper is clear and doesn't distort the image. This makes it easy to create stylish and fun nail art. It's a great tool for both professionals and beginners. The jelly clear nail stamps are soft and durable. The long and short designs meet different needs for various sizes and patterns. It's recommended to use liquid nail latex with short nails for French manicures. The silicone stamper heads are removable for easy cleaning. They are made of a softer, upgraded silicone material. Press gently on pointed and square nails to avoid cracking the silicone head. This mini-sized kit allows you to DIY nail art anywhere. Enjoy the fun and creativity of stamping. First, put your nail on the edge of the colored stamper gel polish, and press vertically to get classic French nails. Wash the stamper with running water or slip solution and dry it in the air. Use tape to remove gel polish or dirt if it doesn't pick up patterns well. Contact customer service if you have any problems. They are ready to help. What we like. This kit makes creating a perfect French manicure easy. The stamper is reusable and beginner-friendly, making it a great tool for both professionals and beginners. If you are looking for a simple way to achieve a classic French manicure, you should consider this. What people say. The colors are very pigmented and apply smoothly. The gel polish is long-lasting and doesn't chip easily. The variety of colors is great, and they have a beautiful shine. Number 1. Modelones Chameleon Gel Polish Set, 6 colors. Introducing the Modelones Chameleon Gel Polish Set. This set includes 6 stunning colors, perfect for creating a variety of nail art designs. It's a must-have for any nail enthusiast. Experience the mesmerizing chameleon galaxy effect. This polish contains exclusive glitter powder that shifts colors depending on the angle. You'll love the different visual effects it creates. Enjoy a smooth and easy application with this gel polish. The formula is designed to be healthy for your nails, with a low odor and non-toxic ingredients. It provides a natural and sexy look. Get a long-lasting, brilliant shine with this gel polish. It's designed for high durability and intense pigmentation, lasting up to 28 days. It is made of natural resin, so it won't damage your nails. The Modelones Gel Polish Kit features an innovative clear color window design. This makes it easy to find the perfect color for your next manicure. It's designed for easy application. This set makes an ideal gift for any nail art lover. It's perfect for creating any popular nail styles, suitable for various occasions. Give the gift of beautiful nails. Always perform a skin test before use to check for any reactions. Remember that this UV LED gel requires a base coat and top coat for the best results. They are not included, so you'll need to purchase them separately. What we like. This set offers a unique chameleon effect with glitter that shifts colors. The texture is smooth, and the colors are long-lasting. If you like to stand out with a unique and eye-catching manicure, you should consider this. What people say. The polish cures easily and strong with AA UV lamp. Easy to apply. Not too thick. They last for a long time. Very pretty amount of sparkle and shine. Dries quickly in the UV lamp. They don't chip. The red shimmer gel really shines in the light and went on beautifully. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.